मित्रों, एक छोटा सा वीडियो विश्व के सर्वश्रेष्ठ नोबेल पुरस्कार के ग्लोबल कंपैरिजन पर। जी हां, विश्व का सर्वश्रेष्ठ नोबेल पुरस्कार जो 6 क्षेत्रों में फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजियोलॉजी और मेडिसिन एक ही है, लिटरेचर, पीस एंड इकोनॉमिक्स, 6 क्षेत्रों में नोबेल पुरस्कार दिया जाता है। फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजियोलॉजी और मेडिसिन, लिटरेचर एंड पीस 1901 से दिया जा रहा है, जबकि इकोनॉमिक साइंसेज में 1969 से दिया जा रहा है। इस लेक्चर में, इस वीडियो में एक ग्लोबल कंपैरिजन करने का मैंने प्रयास किया है। जरा हम ध्यान से देखें स्थिति क्या है। 2023 तक यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ने 413 नोबेल पुरस्कार प्राप्त किए हैं। यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स हैज रिसीव्ड 430 Nobel prizes. Then United Kingdom 138 Nobel prizes. Germany 150 Nobel prizes. France 76 Nobel prizes. Sweden 34 Nobel prizes. Japan 29 Nobel prizes. Canada 27 Nobel prizes. Russia 30 Nobel prizes. Switzerland 27 Nobel prizes. Austria 25 Nobel prizes. Netherlands 22 Nobel prizes. Italy 21 Nobel prizes. Poland 19 Nobel prizes. Denmark 13 Nobel prizes. Israel 12 Nobel prizes. Belgium 11 Nobel prizes. India 11 Nobel prizes. जी हां, इंडिया से कम वाले भी हैं। साउथ अफ्रीका 10 नोबेल प्राइजेस, चाइना 9, आयरलैंड 8, स्पेन 9, अर्जेंटीना 5, चेक रिपब्लिक 5, फिनलैंड 5, यूक्रेन 5। अब इस कंपैरिजन के बाद जरा ये दृष्टिपात भी कर लें। वर्तमान में वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन 7.7 बिलियन, जी हां, और पॉपुलेशन ऑफ इंडिया, आई कैन से विथ कॉन्फिडेंस दैट शुड नॉट बी लेस देन 1.45 बिलियन, बट इवन इफ आई कंसीडर 1.41 बिलियन मीन्स 17.47% population of the total world is from India. If we see the position of Nobel Prizes, rather I should say we should salute to such Nobel Prizes. Sir Ronald Ross, he was not Indian, but by birth he was Indian. He received the Nobel Prize in 1902 in the field of physiology. Second, Rudyard Kipling, 1907, the Nobel Prize for literature. He was also born in India, but when he was 4 or 5 years old, he went to back UK. Yes, Rabindranath Tagore, 1913, Nobel Prize for Gitanjali. Sir C.V. Raman, 1930 Nobel Prize for Raman Effect. Hargobind Khurana, he is not Indian by citizen. He received the Nobel Prize in 1968, but he was in MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Mother Teresa, she was not by birth Indian, but she was Indian because she did a lot for leprosy. She received Nobel Prize in 1979. S. Chandrasekhar, he is also not Indian by birth. By birth, sorry, he is Indian, but his citizenship is not Indian. He received Nobel Prize in 1983. Amartya Sen, he has dual citizenship. He received in 1998. Venkatraman Radhakrishnan, popularly known as Venki, received the Nobel Prize in 2009. His parents were professor in MS University, Baroda, but now he doesn't have Indian citizenship. Kailash Satyarthi, very much Indian, received the Nobel Prize in 2014 in the field of peace because he did a lot of work for child labor to eradicate child labor. अभिजीत बनर्जी 2019 in economics. If I look, I see there are 11 Nobel laureates who received the Nobel Prize. But if I see truly Indian, who was born in India or by citizenship, I feel Rabindranath Tagore, then Mother Teresa, Amartya Sen, Kailash Satyarthi, Abhijit Banerjee. Means, if we have the population of 1.41 crore, in fact, by list we have received 11 Nobel Prize, but in fact, literally, we have received only 5 Nobel Prize. We should think about this. Young generation think about this. Our politicians should think about this. Namaskar.